to Tim Wilcox. Hi, Tim.
Gita, thank you very much indeed. Yeah, full session of the Catalan Parliament here, which may be dissolved by Madrid, but can they dissolve it if they declare independence? Let's speak to EntrevistaBBC27OctubreElisendaPaluzie, who's a university lecturer here at Barcelona University. When is this vote going to take place on independence?
It's going to be
No.
Soon, very soon.
Very soon.
Very soon.
And what will happen then? Because Madrid has said it is against the law. Will the MPs stay in Parliament? Will they sit there and wait to be arrested?
Well, we don't know because the arrestation of the MPs has to be ordered by a judge. So let's see, once the resolution on declaring that the independence is going to be put into effect.
Is there a risk that if it goes to the vote, it might not pass? I mean, could it be if it's a secret vote?
No. I think it's going to, there's no doubt that it's going to be approved. But the thing is that the prosecutor of the Spanish state might start acting legally to do some actions, but we don't know what type of actions he needs. Sometimes also, I don't think they are going to arrest MPs today for declaring independence, because declaring independence is not a crime. It's not a crime. When they say that they might be accused of rebellion in the law, in the Spanish law, is a crime. To be a crime needs to be accompanied by violence, and the vote of a democratically elected parliament cannot be considered a violent act in any way.
What will happen though if Madrid sends more national police up here, maybe even the army? What will happen on the streets?
Well, to send the army, they need to apply Article 116 of the Spanish Constitution, which is the state of siege. No, they haven't done it yet. Well, the situation can be complicated in Catalonia because, on the one hand, today in the Senate they are approving the suspension of the autonomy, and they are going to dismiss and they're going to approve the dismissal of the president and all the ministers of the Catalan government, and they are going to reduce the functions of this parliament. At the same time, here the parliament will proclamate the independence and start putting it into effect. So we are heading to a situation that we don't know what's going to happen exactly. Probably the Spanish state is not going to be strong enough to impose the suspension of autonomy because of disobedience.
Disobedience on the streets, civil disobedience.
Not on the streets, maybe also of the public administration.
Okay.
And at the same time, maybe the
Elisenda, I'm going to have to stop you because we're finishing the programme now, but thank you very much indeed. We will be covering every development here, but back to you, Gita.
Tim, thanks so much. It does look rather lovely there in the Spanish